My name is Chris. We're from Kimball's Audio and Interiors in Savannah, Georgia. We do custom audio, custom interiors, basically full custom interiors, any kind of audio system. We're more of a retail audio shop, been in business for about 50 years.
And tell us about these beautiful rides that you got with you here today. These are examples of your work?
We did a full interior in this 2000 Chevy Blazer, SLSN Blazer. All Sony OBS, full interior, full leather. Built the dash, built the seats, all hand built. Back seats all hand built. Full audio. That's all done. We did this 56 Beetle. That's a full interior job as well.
And we were just talking about that. This thing is absolutely stunning. This is a gorgeous Beetle.
Yeah, this is a badass Beetle. All full interior, hand built back seat, just scat seats in the front, all recovered seat heaters. We did the doors. He's got all the wheels Cerakoted, all the metal parts in there Cerakoted to match it. We did some Cerakote inserts in the back and in the system to do all that. Did full audio in there. We got all running all Sony Mobile ES.
Very cool.
Yeah, and then that's the full interiors with the full audio jobs that we do. We also do regular IASCA build audio, which is for sound quality. This is the latest one we just got finished here. It's a 21 Volkswagen Golf GTI.
Very cool.
Running all
the lights.
Yeah, we've got all this over here. Redid bottom section of the doors. It's got A-pillars all done in here for your front sound stage.
Oh yeah.
All headliner, A-pillar, B-pillar, and C-pillars all wrapped in Alcantara suede. Just a OEM lookish still. It's got a cover panel that goes in over here that covers that and makes it look factory original. So out here at Slamfest, and that's what we do.
This is your first time here at Slamfest?
Yeah, been many years. Yeah, I've been in mini trucks for years.
Oh, okay, very good.
I've competed out here, won best of show out here a couple times, or one time actually. Okay. Won several awards out here myself.
Cool.
Did all that.
All right. Well, thanks for being here. We appreciate your time.
Yeah, all right,
all right, thanks, man. Perfect. Thank you.